Good morning. Here we are at Zion National Park.
We are heading to the Narrow.
And as you can see, I'm the only one that's prepared and dressed appropriately.
It is a lot cooler
Because
here than we thought.
Daisy and Cynthia freezing their asses
My
off.
goodness.
So,
I love this weather, but this might be a bit
let
chilly.
me give you a,
I might have to start jogging instead of walking.
let me give you a view of
Look at that.
everything. Look at that. Look, 360-degree view. Boom. Pow! Bam!
The sun needs to be down here.
So, as you can see, Cynthia's looking cute, but cute is not always comfortable. She got plenty of water, but no clothes. Hey Daisy, we're gonna leave you if you don't hurry up. You're already like behind. Come on. I know, she's too much. We should have left her at home. As you can see, this is part of the river that we will be hiking up on another mile or so up the trail. Hopefully it won't be this raging, but careful, baby.
This is all gonna be it.
So this is all Cynthia's going to be in. That's it.
One would love this, even though he's 63 years old. He's in good condition. He would love this. I told you we can pick you up on our way back. Oh, there is some.
Hi, baby.
Hey, honey.
You having fun?
Oh, yes.
Daisy, you having fun? Look like you're struggling back there.
This is no walking on the trail. We say it's a narrow, and it's. I wish one could see me now.
Oh, he is seeing you.
Hi, baby.
Go ahead, be careful. Pay attention to what you're doing.
Your foot sometimes wet between the rocks.
How you doing?
Oh, I'm walking.
Yeah?
Having fun.
Having fun?
Yes.
You tired?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet. Will be.
Alright.
Actually, I'm waiting for Daisy's catching up with this. I'm too chicken. We are at the narrow.
What are you doing?
I'm doing Matrix.
It's a video.
Oh, you do video?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Hold on. How do you having fun?
I'm doing the Matrix. It's up to over my knee now.
How cold is it?
Oh, refreshing. Refreshing. It's cold. No, it's not cold.
Hold on, baby. Turn around. I'm going to take a picture.
It's refreshing. Oh my goodness. This is some adventure. Check out your bucket list. It's a little chilly in it. Woo-hoo. Goodness. But at least, you know, there's no big rocks in here. Yeah, see? I like this. This is no big rock.
Hey.
Hi. I'm having a good time. I'm glad that we decided that we come out this year and do this.
Oh, this is exhausting.
Oh, I enjoyed it.
It's not a bed, Daisy. Kiss, kiss. Honey. Careful.
This is just gorgeous.
It is. Yep. Why you said?
But you made me go back. You made me turn around. We only got another mile to go. But no. You made me come
Where's
back.
Daisy?
Daisy can sit in the shaded area.
Where is she?
She's over there outside waiting.
How far back?
I don't know. I made her
What?
way here. I'm almost
About
there.
2 miles?
I don't think so.
Daisy's back at base camp. Okay, this is why, look, she's gonna have to negotiate all these logs.
So I can walk around it.
And she wants to walk down all these steep rocks. You see this? Through heavy current. Just so she can get around that bend. Is it worth it? No. Not at all. Doing good, baby.
There's a rough over here.
I know.
Another
Current.
rough.
Current is strong, isn't it?
Yeah, very.
Good job.
Yes.
Thumbs up.
I thought
Oh. Psh, up. Psh,
no. Hold on, start over.
psh. Psh. All right, we made it. Okay. Here we made it.
Hi.
Giant National Park. The Narrows. Almost 5 miles.
Oh my God.
1,600 feet of elevation.
And I'm dying.
Almost what? 5 hours?
Yeah.
Yes.
Great experience for me.
Most of it through a riverbed. So it's nice. Daisy survived.
Yep. Woohoo! She sat out for about a little over an hour.
Yeah.
Yep.
With no snacks.
Yeah. No phone.
No snacks, no
It doesn't
phone.
matter that way because there's no connection. So.
No,
Alright.
it wasn't that.
Oh,
We
she
were
couldn't
just
take no
surrounded-
pictures?
Oh, my battery's
Exactly.
about to die.
And
So,
surrounded by bees.
so we're gonna sign off and see you next time.
You got a
Next
lot of-
time, Sam.
you
You got a lot of,
Bringing you and Joe.
Next time we're bringing Sam and Joe.
Tony got a nice tan glow.
All right.
He got a lot of sun.
Peace.
Hey!